2 verse 9. Obiya oka say na hwan no. Job 32 verse 9. Difo Hugh tie di asami no yimu nkron. Ose enye wona wanyini pii nenim nyansa. Na enye mpanyimfo nko a ne ti atemu ase. Enye wona wanyini pii enenim nyansa. Na enye mpanyimfo nko ne ti atemu ase. Yesu Kristo na owo 12 years ena o sha ase ye mpanyinsem. Ye won krofo a okọ Finland a wona ye mom position bi ye president no kra bi kra ndi 49. Macron no wo 39 years na chusu no. Ye obabi bebre wo ho a 28 29 no mudi. On say ye problem ne say e chese mpanyifo na faili. De ntem mpanyifo na faili ni say se nya system a ye ntimi nya obi kra wadi 20 years. Otimi lead e chese ya faili. Se ye ntimi nyi ni say ye mana ya tetwom so odi 18 years kra wa adwene na otimi ye de opa. That's what faili. Then there's a challenge. Enti nyame ena ya ade me ka kire o say the regional minister designate enche na yamano tumi na watimi de abesom Ghana no owa ha this week nyina me na wo phone so a ena me say wa ye busy so ba bia wo bia say wa ma me show menye enti o say okay wate ti wa sorry afri ba bia owo ena ode aba wo wi a wo betu ne fo. Because we dear, Dr. Frank Amoakohene, Honorable Regional Minister Designate. Honorable Martin.
Major Sumina.
Oh, yeah.
Now, I didn't catch me. I was what to say.
Boko. Official Pafinia, me who?
And okay, I think about saying. I was just saying, now you couldn't DNA and can't come. Now, what then and console. I mean.
Afisa say ni besia ha no na ye kampuntu bebre na wo kire say aye we phase 2 no edru ha edru 60% crew through market no na kwan no ekwayi it afisa say na ye expected them free ho because they say they are wafa
enti e bona empire say vet ni bibia beko totin na atimi aboa enti the first few months in office they're definitely going to get a very solid framework for Ashanti development, because my core campaign no, across the various communities no. Me will say issues near bread and butter and helping the people for their businesses to thrive.
Come them crowful.
Charlie, and he say nipa no na dwuma koso na otiminya de ono so odi be hwe ono na busua amanyoni no hida ne oni haw. Abai de nsa kanema bebre obi aba no wakati nani Yantuaso near Janessa Nhyira. And for the next few months, there be a holistic assessment of all stalled projects in the region. Subsequent to that,
dear JBia,
me of Akofo shas you, President Mills shas you, Mahama shas you, Nakufad na you, there be assessment of all that because Mahama during the campaign or make a firm promise say government is a continuous process. And here by nice kana ya the start and here for honey do obey holistic assessment. Yeah, a catalog of same. Then you are focusing the next few years in making sure say these ones actually was it me completely. As I know what to say baba any other monumental whatever.
They say be what that you
was it me.
And now be see a we
they were honor. That's
powerful.
If you hawk on then we now see what we can do to
and I'm sure said the war hono kwa utimi wi kura na cry hallelujah my
it should be enough because at least secondary school say call you know a war on my region no the e-blocks of mama start 13 of them only about 4 pen functional and even 4 near functional you in 2016 and it's expected to say was by now additional facilities about become you get to honey ya de foforo me were community now a serve woman community to expand they be uncle for and all that hospitals be there and sakai and me nana kufa do buy on so start agenda 111 back open with me a commission here nana otufo me am nana epesi enye hiu confanochi before see bit my hiu confanochi no see timi yi pressure na da confanochi no if you so be betimi ama peripheral facilities ni na atimi age more of the referrals and manage some of the cases competently. Once a bit and then we can now do a whole scale developmental renovation whatsoever work on for nochi. And as I work on that never hona na kwa say and one the eco painting and about who said yeah papa mama yeah original. Now original old one ho. And with me any space for readers as no so and a good plan to erect something that is befitting of a regional hospital for Greater Accra region. A similar thing that was to me here, so far as our sector and your concern. Ashanti Amoakohene, good. Nimi no and my Ashanti man. They knew I should enco. I buy repairs to go for our production of nationwide. Now initially not they were producing almost 1 million tons of cocoa. And they produce just a little around 500,000. And they are Ashanti Amoakohene production. One of the areas are Yamamenom near Papanom, the also be the moments are common area. I will sit down with sector players in that area. Then we see how holistically Yamahama and the Boagana na Ashanti Amoakohene benefited from that. About mine and also so member Nhyira in Suno. One of my campaigner, but some friend home. Prano itwa between Eastern region and Ashanti region. Nanke was some constructive bridge bureau. Ever connected the two regions. My erected pillars no soon, but say the biguso na etwemakono besinde omo ene ahojuma. Community na me koye sa campaign and I'll go there, I'll go back to them. Me campaign man na cities no kwa and towns no kwa. I went to the very far with. But there and so would now plan how to say enema akopra no pa. Enema kumpa. But you see the issue of the fight against galamsey me koben woman what I noticed is say nipa no ni riyo. The oya no enti wo dey so that for call watch out 3 days to be free. Untimi for people continue for almost a year and 2. Free were normal side echo. So you need to get the community to support whatever you are doing. And if they don't have any alternative skill whatsoever, you need to find them some. Or see a training woman in other areas. When you say, oh, say Galano Krana or ya, Obene Bibi so bit my do bit me. Obi also my idea power. As I buy a warm moment alliances no my in a year. On bit my year, I'm an boy with a good production. Yet me streamlining, so extractive sector no the informal extractive sector yet me regularizing I regulating in a manner say a bit more almost so deliberate not me or buying so revenue. And you see another area you be looking at the forestry and the animal money now so idea a day and road in ideas because traffic and work man I don't know day too much. And see because say make a campaign say me call friends say if you come and be a call offense I should have alternative routes. Me va kofaswa me na me va kofefa. All these areas are very choked. Na metimi anene na mu awu fi adwoso na kwa obetima fefa ma akwa kopie your friend say agona kwa bi da ho kopie bo aman e di wuramu a de kopie offense na na okro no. Into all these ring routes we need to commit some level of resources to make sure say a bit my whilst at that no so I mean touching omo saka. I will promise say 5 more, but I don't go. It is so I'm interchange me regional communication officer. Akoye video and a press engagement on so I'm interchange to tell the people of Ashanti man baby the kudru. Ya ba so be holistic assessment a risika e da ho. I so I'm interchange. This convince papa mahama no my skado ko ya cry be for your man the sika no mo ba na my dey say no my minimum pa minimum one nyini bo nti minimum fa sa adwuma ni ye. And these are the things that come to mind now because I'm there for them and me I'm from agency regional secretary because
TikTok general secretary.
Yeah man, I'm on TV. I'm on radio.
In fact, Eugene Oseentry or say NDC warn on social media. We are there pa. They know say no more. And okay, phone is no for modiada. TV crew ni bi. And you cost media to start up.
ebia one of the top 3 politicians on the media on media number. And remember you almost heard him say more scholarships with my boy more career guidance with my boy. It will be don't afraid because me SS me geography but name your doctor.
Me geography.
Me geography me know some biology de ka ho koye med lab and na me kwa koye medicine and na me say kwa koye doctor of medical lab science.
What been do?
I koye MBA. Edi emabnu na no there are a lot of career guidance I need to let them see. As a former student leader, as my president, I will spend time to engage with most of these students so that we can have a common plan as young people of Ashanti and young people of Ghana. Because it's very important. If the youth buy into your developmental agenda, they would own it. And when they will own it, they will make sure that whatever you do, there will be sustainability whatsoever. And see, broadly, these are the areas I'll be focusing on. And I'm sure, say, with this in mind, we'll be able to, in all, implement GM Vision. People's Manifesto 2020 and the reset in the Ghana Manifesto in 2024 or the Baba Buana reset Ghana and reset Ashanti. My reset agenda and the Ashanti my chefum.
And your mommy because when you see being a time I didn't come we did not over Babachia.
I wanted to home.
Now no one I'll quote Gina baby I'll be quite
as a way,
some baby, I will quite down. You say, well, scorpions in Namho. It's all bad day, you will be dying.
And she is in there. Yeah, branch yesterday, but we are duty but today, any problem. And the end there. Quite a first said them, we are dance kitchen with me, I'll do that. And I'm more bring me about so as is your mother.
Hey,
me didn't buy na and them.
To what's in the end?
I see a baby. I see a baby. I don't know. Be a pro.
When I had a more
competition.
How much I see how more put the place together, but you hear a lot of inputs to be able to put the place back in shape. And you compose you say you're reading minister at now, but you compose you say keep the place.
That's deep.
And the Ubetma will fear while to why you're comfortable over there, over office, I be upon knowing a whole person receive you on my assist. I can do that. But you can have your family elsewhere while fear near dead. When you make us out to wow fear, the idea by a Japadi and who Diamond, I say, it's not done anywhere. Because I say, Regional ministers are buying 4 na de bobos no munyina ehonom tena ye papa Mahamat na odanti it's not as though say be a place ya abandon ni bi na e bia eye basa dada na eye basa dada kra ye do ba betina ho e die na me ba ye ho ye basa me ko gina ho ye di hu koma mu yi e mu pa se mu be gya ma me say metina so years do ana man do dam
na ye ya ma 6 months pe na ko ya de ni ye amani e de be ma okrum ha no
ka so na aye basa na tetia pro na ye san de bi ensida entino na me expect say me offer Simon Semensan ka offer for the come ya japade ma o mo offer ba we dey offer ma me say from
we jaka we jaka offer chinye minim say e ka wo ho e wo so ye but how are you seeking minim say obe planning there but ekwan be so na ebetimi a revive ama at least hokra ya akona ya krabeshi hokra timi ye tourist attraction.
Local government act now source of funding for the RCC more of a percentage of the common fund donations among other IGF driven sticks are RCC in Betiki and the ones are there but never be a public winner. Audition kwa kwadwane when it me nyina wi obi abedi hu fa so kra at least eyam no de me ana metia no anti yankopon ya adom na ko parliament na ye interview ni bibia na I go through ye be have a thorough discussion about it. I'm sure say nkofo efrefre me ne where said ye ma me nom kra ni age especially mo me nom kodi asa wodwem doing campaign no so don't match was we are me sure say krum here no yeah betimi I resist something to start yeah say you try no udware wa fruit na papa hu say ujadu fruso na mam ujadu fruso no say no me bani nya obejai na fi yababeje ne dia afefa otirim ne make sure say
we be happy for fans ne dia
and you na start bibia e papa ma we say there be a Ashanti region na ene na say mabunu ne timamofo no mani abre definitely there central government will equally
na central government ye nko ye be gada ma ya ade no asa ye show pen hwe ye ankasa be ye be raise fans wa ha obi wo luvers afabra wo wa je ni abro
bididi go mabunu na me hu wo there is a revolution.
Minim say adwuma na wo ye no eso but uti mpanyufo dodo na you have the support. One of the things nkofo ebusa means mbusa and then am can be to me sanipa sisi a wenyen nipa bebre afra obi okra no mfra o da but wa fra obi a hu osre obesesa
in God we trust and omo a ofra o share omo omo na o sani social and at least from a time from student days all the way to main party politics and all that I've noticed say okonya tamfo bia otimi di wachi from student front to say baby obedru bia na otata ina adofo so a baby obedru bia na mo ba on board to help you. Most of the people are Boama be regional secretary a course so ye ni bibiano. Most of them have known them all the way from school days. There are some people that are doing election there during the administration. They are in other regions, but they volunteered say they will come here and come and support me in the region. Yeah, resource coalition. Me IT engineers, me computer engineering students, friends say. Engineers from colleagues in other regions, they all came down. Say, would you grow now? Say, a young boy by a regional secretary and we had a very robust coalition system in the region, and they were from all over. And what I've noticed is, I'm hoping and I'm praying, say, BBR is something. Because I don't see why I have to change from something that is giving me goodwill. Again, you boom me over social media, main media. Oh, Breno wants see. Oh, I'm penny wants them. Oh, nim kasa. Oh, nim say. They have me started to say me the attempt there. Then as a miana, matumam nana. Watum. Intimidianum. Men kasa menye nipa mfo so beba. Mako yimu ni aketo idea. Bibi corner so who say. Amoakohene enim no nyo woni dia muntia me na so ntem because
na mintia na skra beti me ka
emubu me na mo muntia me na so
on the me go fia me ni be hia ntimi a metia na so me say Amoako ade wi
wo do beti me tia no so beti me ka wa ha
se wo say wo ba meti enti me go fia no mako
yeah fast enti take me as a player me na me wo field na mo ye me coach. Oh, Bobo na our field, so I never be brown.
Yeah.
Amamu a chino. Mohumbi. I'm the first regional minister, Nakopon Adam na Yajimitma. Mahu regional minister send the donor. Baby will be fire am one, no, Mabuana, Motumi for Sakwa. Baby will be fire no so dingy no. The Matiam and us on them. And chairman could do last year, Nansana cockhead, so if we are careful, had I be bringing the say, over some of Buana, Bibia Costa, because we me deny. Your man so Dutch so here because and they see about the tumor and a board in the Shamara. And Basse bedrew baby bedrew your man so see ma a babubi a conyamaba as Antimamha as regional minister near Cocasa Amoakohene be by and Yama edging someone as the man Bruno. You was a good example said the bear that should be a man so soon conya. No more so a baby banu you babuna. Nay or ban now what I say now bibia. You bet me Amoakohene dear obey soon. I say, or Babuni by and cried and I do some for more babuna one dear. Obey me a day. Ajumano, it goes beyond NDC and PP.
Yeah.
A communal labor to make sure say we make a case as young people of Ashanti region, as young people of Ghana, and I'm very sure and confident saying Uncle Poya Aduma. Mobile madam number boame said the bear mefa kwai so acquire the Nhyira any a year in Puntu Bebre Ashanti mine Ghana.
Media the meeting me catch and say Odachi no oh yeah, presidential material.
Sure.
Obesi kumentem.
Aye, it can catch.
I don't dey da ho.
Oh yeah, presidential material. No, you better born who buy.
Sure.
Maintain fasting, but unquenty the mayor fasting.
Amen.
I'm gonna survive it because it is not just about NDCSM.
Sure.
It's about imebunu se ye kasi betimi aye no. And what see making sure say obe survive it.
That's it.
Into for us on Nhyira FM, I had there. You can count our 200% support.
Sure.
That's it.
What you say? Because in himself, can ubeti now I am juma. It's a beboa more survive it. A juni bebre and penny for one up. Ye beboa, ye be them pipe better physically and what them council. A munso a muwe nino so be amfa papanya ni bonnet and fanya a oh ha, tenants me too for. Where did you know so no when ye?
Sure.
Just say, aha, one here and also so what I say, aha.
And I'm you how my Korea.
Oh, final message Ashanti 480 with the Minnesota Chai.
Meda me amena na 2482. Abebium na mekase. Then I say ne mane ne nananom na watete ye ne ye hye na nimonyam. Nyakopon onko so na onto na ankonem na onhyira no. Nakopon ya adom ase de aka no ye besom ya som ye se de be ya bia e begina bia asena nanom bia no ye de eye anidie ene ade ye ni munyam hye na bebre no party no all the way from national national chairman general secretary the youth organizers so especially because this also goes to his credit as youth organizer say and yenya the youngest minister na within the party. My regional chairman, Augustus Andrews Nanakwesi, regional organizer, regional women's organizer, youth organizer, communication officer, Zungu, of course, constituency executives, branch executives, ordinary members. At least for the first time, I got the opportunity to experience them during their campaign. My 9th Street boys and youth during their campaign. And Uncle Fubijin's Diagro. This is for you. And this is to make sure we make you proud. The best is reserved for the last. The nation builder. Abu Broncosia, Adi Beye, I said that His Excellency John Kwame Dramani Mahama. And Hunting and Day, Ashanti Mai, yes, so yes, at Bisona, or no Aniba, Dr. Frank Amoakohene, Manya Akonyawi, or Namamu. Medanasi, Namakachi, Mr. President, say. Ibibia may be a ever Mguasiam Brenno, and no mayor. Now, Uncle Swan family Seneba. Ubia any Bibia will be Humbiano, said the Bia Yano. Uncle so entertain me. And Uncle Poyad Mammy say, dear way Nimno, Anna Edoso. And say about Buanama, a year legacy I will pay in the last term and this term of office. No, about Buanama and a good legacy said the Bia Ghana, ever remember no as the rebirth of Kwame Nkrumah said the BIA ya canon. Our BGF fa who dear money. Ghana ni bia any agent. Timinia, Madam Osmas media. And then Nana. Mr. Mbeya regional secretary. Ahaya na Mbeya my last a year campaign engagement with the media. And I'm by na me na mudi midnight to Hanaga. We do manum kakra o. Did the video so that we did and Yamago akwem and the NDC yard momoto abayim as regional secretary. During campaign time ni na time bia makonyama bitmene temamufo ekasa. Madam asi. Monko so na momoaye na yenkan homom. Na adwuma yenye na entimi fa eye enkanko emra. Madam asi na macha obia anopen.
Yeah, that's it. Honorable Regional Minister Designate. Right.